Let me tell you the story of the foolish donkey. A salt seller used to carry his salt to the market every single day on the back of his donkey. But on their way to the market, they have to cross a river. And the salt was heavy. The donkey suffered. One day, when they were crossing the river, the donkey tumbled down in the middle of the river, and the salt fell from the back of the donkey. The salt fell into the river. The salt dissolved into the river, and the carriage that the donkey was carrying was light. The donkey learned that trick, and he started to apply every time they crossed the river. The farmer realized that that was a trick that was done by the donkey. The farmer decided to teach the donkey a lesson. The next day, the farmer loaded a bag of cotton on the back of the donkey. The donkey played the same trick, hoping that the trick will work this time. He tumbled down, but the cotton did not fall. The dampened cotton became heavier, and the donkey struggled and suffered so much to cross the river. When the donkey crossed the river, he learned a very important lesson, that luck wants favor always. The moral of the story is this: if you play trick on people, don't do it again. And you have to apologize for those you play the trick on, because luck wants favor always. Have a wonderful day.